This is a Vastu plan, east facing double floor home currently under construction. The ground floor structure is already completed and the first floor slab will be cast next. The design is planned according to Vastu principles. The main entrance is in the east, providing good natural light and positive energy. The living room is placed in the northeast area, creating an open and welcoming space. The kitchen is located in the southeast direction, which is considered ideal as per Vastu. The bathroom and WC are located in partial service areas for daily convenience. The master bedroom is positioned in the southwest for stability and comfort, with attached toilet. The second bedroom is planned in the northwest zone. The staircase is placed on the north side for proper circulation. The upper floor follows the same two-bedroom layout as the ground floor, and a terrace is planned above. Overall, the design focuses on functional planning, ventilation, and modern living. Thank you for watching.